Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Whitney and I'm a part of the customer support team here at Team Lust. In this video, I'll be showing you a few ways to protect your curls at night so the refresh process isn't too hectic in the morning. And if your scarf doesn't magically find its way on the next pillow beside you, you may not even have to refresh at all. So a lot of people talk about the pineapple and protecting their curls at night, but let's face it, the pineapple doesn't always work for all curl types or all hair lengths, and not a lot of people like sleeping with their hair in a ponytail. I did cut off about half of the length of my hair, and I found that I really had to learn my curls all over again when it came to styling, refreshing, sleeping, how much product to use. So when my hair was longer, I would just put it up in a high bun or a low ponytail. Sometimes I didn't even tie it down to sleep, and I felt like refresh and all of that was tomorrow's problem. And I tried that method with my hair at this length, and that just did not work. So if you want to see a few ways on how to protect your curls at night using our Lust brand's satin scarf, just keep on watching. And there you have it, a couple ways to preserve your curls at night using our Lust brand satin scarf. Which technique have you tried? Which technique are you going to try? Drop a comment down below and we'll see you in the next one. Just keep on watching.